Actually, hindi ko alam kung ano yung Parkinson's disease. But that moment na pagpasok ko, it just hits me. Biglang parang nagsabi na, this is for you. Novi, gawin mo to. Hindi ko pala alam na nasa pamilya ko. So, the younger sister of my father have a Parkinson's disease. 2011, I moved for love. When I moved there, as a performing artist, gusto mo talagang to achieve and perform opera house. My dance choreographer that I worked with a few years ago, she rang me and asked me, "Hi Novi, if you're interested, you wanna perform The King and I Australian cast." And then yung pinaka-last leg is opera house. So that moment, hindi na ako nagdalawang isip. Ito na yun eh. Ito yung hiningi ko. Yung tadhana, kumbaga, ang nagbigay sa akin ng way to do this. What's next for me? Ikot ako ng ikot sa opera house. And then all of a sudden, nakita ko sa bulletin board ng opera house. Dance workshop for teacher for Parkinson's disease. Actually, hindi ko alam kung ano yung Parkinson's disease. Ang alam ko lang doon, dance teacher. And my partner told me, sabi niya, "Are you sure you wanna do this?" Sabi ko, "Why? This is Parkinson's disease." We Google it, and then say, "Oh no," sabi ko, parang hindi ko yata kayang gawin to. Sanay akong magturo kasi sa normal professional dancers. That moment in the workshop, alam ko na this is for me. Ito yung calling ko. And I remember kasi when I moved to Australia, kung ano mo matutunan ko sa abroad, ibabalik ko sa Pilipinas. Ang goal ko sana sa Berebere Sayaw PD is to spread awareness not only here in Philippines but also in Asian countries. We can train more teachers, maraming matutulungan, mga remote area. We can do more online classes and also siguro makatulong tayo and anyone that hindi lang PD but everyone, the young generation, para maging aware sila din at para sa sunod na henerasyon ay mapagpatuloy natin. Siguro masasabi ko sa mga student ko ay huwag tayong tumigil. Tuloy-tuloy ang saya, nandyan ang sayaw, nandyan ang musika, sayaw for PD, nandyan ako at ipagpatuloy natin to. Alam mo yung pakiramdam nito, ito yung sinasabi nating priceless. Oh my God! Nakasmile siya, nakikita, sinusunod ka niya, ginagawa niya gusto mong gawin. And that for me, that's the priceless thing. Please, kung unang-unang malaman ko na meron kang Parkinson's, huwag mahiya. You have to continue with your life. And also acceptance. But it takes time. It doesn't mean may Parkinson's ka, it's end of your life. It's not. There's still hope. You still have to continue with your life. Papatuloy natin yung buhay natin. The most touching dito, yung determination nila pumunta every week. Pumunta sila, uminit, umulan, nandun sila. Yung commitment na committed sila. At doon mo malalaman na talagang they're really into it. Tiyaga lang, tiyaga. Later on, doon papasok yung if they really trust you and they really coming from your heart. Nararamdaman nila na ang ginagawa ko ay para sa kanila. Sana huwag kang mapagod sa akin. Ang pinaka-touching naman dito sa akin is yung kahit hindi man sila gumagalaw, hindi man nila sinusunod yung mismo kung ano yung galaw mo, kung ano yung laki yung galaw mo or what you're trying to achieve in the movement when you do our class. Hindi lang kayo sumasayaw. You have your community. Nag-create ka ng community with them in a very artistic settings. Makita mo yung gliss ng mata nila, makita mo yung saya, makita mo yung kahit eyebrows na nila gumagalaw or merong konting smile. Yun ay achievement yun. Malaking achievement yun para sa akin at lalo na sa kanila. Para sa akin, kaya ko siya ginagawa kasi akala nila sila ang tinutulungan ko. But they didn't even know how much ang impact nila para sa akin para ipatuloy ko yung buhay ko.
Sa bawat tapak, ramdam ko bawat palakpak, ramdam ko sa bawat galaw, ramdam ko ating saya.